This was a tough one. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Patrick. Thanks for watching this video. I am a husband, I am a dad, I'm a worship pastor at a church, and I own my own tech company. I love talking about gear, reviewing gear, and sharing my life with you. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the new Beats Studio Buds. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, headphones are really important to me. I remember the first nicer headphones I purchased or were given, I believe, as a gift were the Bose Quiet Comfort 2s. And that's when like noise cancellation and headphones started to get a little bit more advanced than just speakers you put over or on or in your ears. Now there's in-ear headphones, truly wireless headphones, over-ear headphones, on-ear headphones, custom molded headphones, and I have used every single iteration of these headphones. Now, I just went to Ohio with my family to visit some family, to hang out for July 4th, to simply relax. And I was out driving, just taking some time on my own, and my wife sent me a very, very sad text message. And that text message read, "Honey, your headphones just went through the wash."
No, it's not true. That's impossible.
Now listen, no big deal, accidents happen, but I love these headphones. These are the Jabra 65T.
You're dead. You crazy son of a you're dead.
It's not the active ones or whatever, but these are truly wireless headphones, and they're the first truly wireless headphone that I've actually enjoyed using. They are bigger than some other headphones. They come in this nice little charging case, and I thought to myself, hey, listen, maybe they are salvageable. Maybe the water didn't get totally into them. I don't know. I was just being optimistic. But when I came home back to my mother-in-law's house, I looked on the counter, and the headphones were sitting, actually, let me show you here. They were sitting like that. So I knew that these guys went through the wash, opened and spilled out. Just they were soaked, drenched in water. You can even see inside the case. It's just drenched in water. I put one on, it worked. I tried to let them dry out a little bit longer, and eventually the sound was either non-existent or so quiet. These things are, sorry, Jabra. These things are trashed. So I said, what do I do now? Because a pair of good headphones that you can wear anywhere and use all the time for phone calls and things like that, listening to music, podcasts, whatever, it's gonna run you a pretty penny. Oh, I bit my tongue. I would say a great starting price point for truly wireless headphones is about $100. If you're spending anything less than that, you're not gonna have a bad time, but you could potentially run into some hiccups that are really, really frustrating. So I did my research, and right at the time that I lost my headphones, guess what? Beats and Apple released the Beats Studio Buds. Now, Apple purchased Beats back in the day for $3 billion. It's their largest acquisition of a company. And I love my Beats headphones. I have some over-ear Beats headphones that I use all the time. I love them. As a matter of fact, those Beats broke and I bought the newer version just recently. I love Beats headphones. Beats gets a lot of flack because of their soundscape. You know, it's a little too bass heavy. It's, you know, made for like, you know, thumping music or whatever. But if you're not a true audiophile that wants just flat, you know, unobstructed, you know, audio, I think Beats sound phenomenal, but everybody has their own preferences. So I was really excited to get these, open them up, and begin using them. So let me just really quickly show you what's in the box. So first and foremost, you pop this guy open, and obviously there's gonna be your headphones here. And they come in this really great pill box that if I pull this out, which I can just pull down in this flat, but I'm not going to, if I pull out these Beats and I just simply open the case, a brand new set of Beats headphones will automatically show up on your iPhone or your Android. Yes, these work with both iPhone and Android devices. I should say iOS or Android devices. And they come in this really slim case. They also charge via USB-C. Everything charges via USB-C now except for what? The iPhone, and I don't know why, but I'm just gonna let it go. I wish the iPhone did charge via USB-C, but I'm sure we're gonna get there. Tim Cook, if you're listening, help me out. Okay, so this is a really great case. You open these guys up, and the Beats headphones themselves are tiny. They look amazing. They fit pretty well. And they also have right on the I guess the B here. Is that a B? That's got to be a B. It's a B, right? Okay. On the B here, you've got some controls for the headphones as well. One small gripe I have is with headphones like this, when you stick them, oh, I've got the wrong one. When you stick them in and you push that button to start or stop music or play or pause, whatever, it does kind of shove the headphone farther into your ear, and some people would say that's a plus because, they don't fall out as easy, but it does get a little bit weird. So the case, the headphones, they're pretty self-explanatory, but there's also some additional accessories in the box. I love how these guys just these cases now, they just magnetize the headphones and just pop them right into place, and these will not fall out. No matter how much I shake them, they just don't fall out. It's a really secure case, really well-designed headphone, very, very small footprint, which I like. One thing I don't like, and your average consumer brought this up, and I was like, oh, whatever, get over it, buddy. But this is a very slippery case. It's just super easy to drop, something to be aware of. In the box, you also have some accessories. You have more buds here, you have a USB-C cable, and then you have some documentation. So, of course, as Apple always does, including with their Beats products, they have packaged things really well. They make even opening and using the product, opening and setting up the product an experience instead of a chore. I love that. But guess what? I am returning these because I used them once. I put them in my old ear holes, and I went for a quick jog. Yes, I jogged. Don't judge me. I'm working on it.
I believe it's jogging or yogging. It might be a soft J.
I went on a quick jog, and I just didn't like the way they sounded. Now, I use a lot of tech. Like I said, I have my own tech company. I review tech all the time, and it's pretty clear to me right off the bat if I'm going to like something. Now, some things I have to learn how to use. Some things, some new products, sometimes I think I might get into it. I might like it. I might find a use for it, and I'm kind of getting used to the product. But with headphones, I know what I want. I know what I like. When I put headphones, actually, as a matter of fact, one time I bought a pair of Sony headphones. I pulled them out of the box and I put them on, and without even hearing them, I put them on and I went, I don't like these. Put them right back in the box, return them. I just didn't like them. I didn't like the way they felt flimsy. And with this product, the Beats, when I put them in my ears, I thought they felt good. I thought they worked really well. They were super, super functional. They connected to my device so easily, but I didn't like the way they sounded. It was just thin. And I know there's some protection in there where you don't want to turn up the volume on in-ear headphones too much because you can really damage your hearing, but it still just felt thin. I didn't like it. So if I don't like them even a little bit, these are gonna be something that I use every single day. I'm doing the dishes, I'm listening to a podcast with one ear in. I'm on the phone, I don't hold my phone up to my ear, I set my phone on the desk, I put one ear in, and I pace around my apartment or my office or my church space or whatever on that phone call. So right off the bat, I knew these were not gonna make me happy. If I didn't like them a little bit, it was just going to be increasingly more frustrating for me. Now you may love these headphones, you may put them in. As a matter of fact, one of the reasons why I bought these is I texted a friend and I said, hey, listen, John, I saw that you purchased these, you put them on Instagram, what do you think? He said, incredible, they're amazing. I watched all these reviews that said they sound full and they've got tons of bass. I didn't hear it. I didn't like it. I'm returning these. Well, I probably shouldn't throw these off the table because I'm returning them, so just set them down nicely. You know what I decided to get? The new Jabras. I went ahead and decided to go for the Jabra 75T. Now, why?
calls are recorded.
When your doctor calls in the middle of a video. Now, one thing that's worth mentioning is the fact that someone gave me a $100 gift card to Apple because I was a guest on their podcast. Super thankful for that. So when it came time to make a decision on headphones, I said, I've got this $100 gift certificate. It's tough to buy a phone or a computer or an iPad with that. So let me just put it towards these headphones. The Beats are $150, an excellent price point for headphones like this. So I went ahead and used that gift card, an extra $50. Baller!
Treat yourself. Treat yourself 2011.
And I purchased the Beats headphones. But when I went and used them, I didn't like them, and I said, I'm just returning these. I'm gonna bite the bullet and have to pay a little bit more, like full price without a gift card for something else. But I went to Amazon, and the Jabra 75T Elite Actives, I mean, why are these names so long? Why? Those headphones, a renewed version of them, which means they've been refurbished, someone's used them, they've cleaned them, they've freshened them up and sent them out. Those are $95 on Amazon. So this is a headphone that I already loved, and to be honest with you, if I had seen that before purchasing the Beats, I would have gone right away and purchased those. I've already loved the 65Ts. The 75Ts are going to be better. It now charges via USB-C. It's got a longer battery life. They've improved the sound. They've made the headphones a smaller form factor. They've knocked it out of the park with these headphones, and I know that I love the 65Ts. I'm gonna love the 75Ts, so I went with those instead. So listen, if you're looking to buy the Beats headphones, I suggest purchasing them through Amazon, trying them out. You can always return them if you don't like them, but for me, it wasn't a win. But let me know in the comments, maybe you love your Beats headphones. Like I said, my over-ear Beats, I absolutely love, but these inner-ear Beats, truly wireless headphones, not for me. The Studio Buds are not for me. Do everything you do with a YouTube video. Go ahead and share this with your friends. If they're looking to get headphones, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. I hope this review was helpful for you.